Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Paaxoo Android tablet. There are features include tablet with GMS certification, Google Mobile Service, pre-installed Google Play, support social apps such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok and more app. Well for watching video, chatting online, reading ebook and more. Featuring 18GB RAM, 6 plus 12GB expandable, 128GB ROM, powerful CPU, huge storage, 8.0 HD camera on the rear and 2 megapixels camera on the front. Built-in GPS, FM radio, dual speakers, 3.5mm headphone jack. Ideal for reading, taking photos, videos, music, and more. This Android tablet has a built-in 6000 mAh Li-ion battery that provides up to 8 hours of uninterrupted video playback, so you can use it for long periods of time without any interruptions. 10.1-inch FHD display for vivid visuals. 10.1-inch 1280x800 FHD display delivers crisp, vivid visuals for an immersive viewing experience. Stay connected with dual-band 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and built-in GPS. With wireless casting, dual speakers and a 3.5mm headphone jack, the tablet is versatile and perfect for on-the-go entertainment and productivity. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.